I'm Don Evans. High-end Triad real estate demands more than standard photos. We deliver signature HDR media. Tired of struggling with property descriptions? Stop stressing. Our instant MLS description writer analyzes your exact property to write perfect remarks instantly. And with our FAA-certified insured aerials, we elevate your listing by showcasing the full scale of the property and the surrounding neighborhood. Static photos are great, but motion commands attention online. We engineer cinematic video tours that pull buyers directly into the space. Empty rooms feel cold and look smaller online. We virtually stage them with high-end furnishings, so buyers instantly see the potential. We also shoot interactive Zillow 3D tours and floor plans with measurements to maximize your listing's value. Overcast skies kill curb appeal. We replace bad weather with perfect daylight, so your listings stop the scroll. Virtual Twilight makes your listing glow on the feed and stops the scroll. Show buyers exactly what their new home looks like when they pull in at night. We deliver high-end property media within 24 hours. Get your free instant quote and listing description below.